Hello, I'm Charubala Pagan. Welcome back to my channel. In continuation with the earlier video on the rules and regulations required for dental practice, today I will be taking part 2 of this, where I will be covering Pollution Control Board and Biomedical Waste Management. So Pollution Control Board authorization is specific to different states. It is state specific. So you have to go to the State Pollution Control Board website and check what laws you have to follow accordingly. Now, for example, this is the website of Andhra Pradesh Pollution Control Board, wherein dental clinics fall under those facilities which generate less than 100 KLD of wastewater, and hence they fall under the orange zone. So since they are in orange category, they have to apply in orange category for Andhra Pradesh Pollution Control Board. Similarly, this is Goa State Pollution Control Board. This is their website. So you could apply for your Pollution Control Board certification from here. Now in Goa, the rules are slightly different because they don't have a common waste disposal facility, and hence they allow certain private clinics and facilities to do deep burial within their premises. But having said that, this was a news which came out in 2021, where 6 hospitals were issued notices over violation of biomedical waste rules in Goa. So what they said was that there is an autoclaving facility in Manipal Hospital, as well as they have an incinerator in Goa Medical College. So these 6 hospitals could have had a tie-up with them and availed of these facilities, and they were not disposing their biomedical waste in accordance with the rules of the state. So it's very important to see what your state mandates for Pollution Control Board. Another important thing which comes under Pollution Control Board is Biomedical Waste Management Law. But since this is a vast topic, I'm taking it separately. So this was in 2016, Government of India, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change came out with this notification and published it in the Gazette. And that was when the new modifications were made to the BMW laws. So these are the salient features. The law does not apply to radioactive waste. Suppose your facility is creating radioactive waste, then it doesn't come under BMW law. They have a separate law, that is Atomic Energy Act. Suppose there are hazardous chemicals and wastes which are released by any facility, again that comes under a separate law. Solid waste other than biomedical waste, like for example your clinic may have other things like say disposable glasses, or maybe you could have a snack counter where your staff may be eating. So those things will not come under biomedical waste laws, but you will have to dispose it along with the municipal solid waste. Lead acid batteries, these again come under Battery Rule 2011. E-wastes, electronic wastes, don't come under biomedical waste laws. So if you have an old Apex locator or any other electronic equipment in your clinic, you cannot dispose it along with your biomedical waste. You have special agencies which come and collect e-waste from the clinic. Another important thing is those facilities which release hazardous microorganisms, they do not come under biomedical waste law. So we come under the category of occupiers. So I would like to state now what the duties of an occupier are. First thing is we have to provide for safe, secured storage of segregated biomedical waste. What this means is we have to have color-coded bins. We have to segregate our biomedical waste at source according to the BMW laws of our state, and it has to be safe storage in the sense that till the third party comes to collect your biomedical waste, till the authorized person comes to collect, your biomedical waste has to be kept safely. It should not be in an open bin where animals or stray cats, dogs can come and upturn the bills and create biomedical waste hazards. Also, it has to be secured. Next thing is lab waste has to be pre-treated. If we have blood samples, blood bags, microbiological waste, those have to be pre-treated and then given to the biomedical waste plant. Third important point of our duty is that we have to give training to our healthcare workers. All the staff and associates who are working in our facility have to be trained regarding biomedical waste. Fourth important point is immunization has to be done. This is very important. So all the staff who are working in your facility, it is the law that you have to immunize them for hepatitis B and tetanus. A barcode system has to be established with GPS of the waste taken out of facility. Segregation treatment of liquid chemical waste has to be done at source. You have to give proper PPE to the people who are handling your waste, that is your staff. A biomedical waste register has to be maintained by the clinic, where there has to be a monthly record. And this monthly record has to be entered in the website. Suppose you have a website of your clinic, you have to have a place where you can make entry of your biomedical waste records. Annual records have to be maintained. That is, this register, whatever you're making, has to be maintained and retained for at least 5 years. This record maintenance has to be retained for 5 years. If there are any accidents related to biomedical waste, for example, if there is a major spillage, then you have to report it. There is a formality for reporting in their website, and you have to inform the authority if the operator doesn't come regularly to collect your biomedical waste. In many cities, this happens that although a contract has been signed with the operator is irregular. So in that case, all the dental clinics of that area should you write a combined letter and inform the authorities that that person is not coming to collect the waste regularly. So these are some labels which are provided in the website, biohazard label and cytotoxic hazard symbol. So these labels have to be put on our containers, segregated containers and bags. This is another label which is available again on the website, where the waste category number, waste quantity, sender's name and address, phone number, fax, contact person, the day, the month, the year, all this is given, and this has to be put in the biomedical waste bag which goes from our facility. Now these are certain forms which are available with BMW Act 2016, that is on the website it's available. An accident reporting form, if there is an accident in the facility, it has to be reported. Application for authorization, that is authorization of operating a facility which generates biomedical waste, or renewal of authorization. Authorization certificate format, annual report, application for appeal against the prescribed authority. All these forms are available with the BMW website. So this was today's video, and this was regarding biomedical waste and pollution control board. These are my contact details, my WhatsApp number as well as my email ID. If any of you have any queries regarding legal requirements for dental facilities or any other queries regarding accreditation, please feel free to contact me on my contact details for further help. Thank you. Thank you very much.